monomers, and then pick up really smaller beads of the crystal clear. And basically you are like tap, tap, tap. And add just a little glitter. And I'm gonna start picking at some of the maple leaf you are going to get. Different colors. So you might get 6 of them. You might get different than what I got. And just like when it's clear, it's still wet, is a perfect time for you to add some of your maple leaves or any glitter. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and cap it with really thin crystal clear. The reason it is because you want to lock your glitter in before you ombre. So now I'm go ahead and ombre. So it doesn't matter, 6 colors, you can ombre any colors you want. Okay, so I'm going to pick like a pumpkin, just smaller beads first. Okay, and do it right is above that where you're just finishing, like about 50%. And I'm doing a smaller beads first because I want to blend the ombre first. And then you can go back and add another beads to perfect your cuticle area. This is pumpkin. How's everyone doing on Saturday? Thank you so much for tuning in. And then the second bead, you can do it closer to the cuticle as possible. And then you can blend it with the first beads. Looks really good. Let's add a little bit more if you want to. Let it set for about a few seconds. And then you can cap everything. I'm adding just a little bit of chrome flake. With those 6 colors. Okay. Hey, Brazil. Oh, hold on. Are you having fun with the new colors? Yes, I am, Brazil. All right, so now I'm gonna cap this. The important, we're gonna cap it right between of the pumpkins and the glitter. So for a lot of beginners, if you feel like you're afraid of to getting your inner cuticles when you're filing them, it won't hurt at all if you want to cap it closer to the cuticle, so then it prevent from, just in case you are going to file too much like heavy-handed, you can definitely still able to keep your cuticles areas on the powders really nice without having it too much filing. I do that a lot too. It doesn't have to be for the beginners, be honest with you. That makes it so much easier. It just really depends on how your techniques and how is you building your liquid and powder skills. Okay, so it's not like the right way and the wrong way. Sometimes it's the best way for people doing this way. it works the best for them, but then your way is gonna be a different, and it works the best for you. You know, it's just some inspiration, but then you find what is work the best for you and use it. Just use others as an inspiration, you know, for the information, but you know what it works the best for you, and you know, go with your heart, you know. So great. So let it set. Let this is set while we're moving on to the next one. And you know, keep in mind, smaller beads go a long way. Sometimes is Instagram, it just make it like one bead to mix all of beginners, all of us looks really like feel shame because we couldn't do one beads. But you know what, it's all Instagram, it's one bead. It just they doing it cutting and real.